Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add Google Maps Friends Location widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, touch and hold. And then we go down and tap on widgets. Next, swipe up to go down and expand the maps section. Then in here, you want to touch and hold on the Friends Location widget and then drag it to the home screen and let go. Now you need to sign into your Google account to get a list of the contacts that they are sharing with you. And in here, select a contact. Once you have added the widget on the home screen with a selected contact, you can tap on it. And in here, you'll be able to find the location of your friends, and you can also share your location to your friend as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.